Good day everyone, this is Neil, and today we'll talk about one of the theorems in inequalities in one triangle, and that is theorem number 2. So ano bang meron sa theorem number 2? So given this triangle class, this is triangle ABC, anong side kaya yung pinakamaikli? Or which side is the shortest? Tingin ninyo. And to answer that one, matutulungan tayo ng theorem number 2 ng inequality of one triangle. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng triangle inequality theorem number 2? If one angle of a triangle is larger than the second angle, then the side opposite the first angle is longer than the side opposite the second angle. Ibig sabihin lang nito, if meron kang angle na mas malaking angle kaysa sa isang angle, ibig sabihin yung katapat na side niya is mas mahaba din. So para mas maintindihan natin, let's have the example we had earlier. So the name of this triangle is triangle ABC. Then, what is the shortest side? To determine the shortest side, kasi shortest yung hinahanap natin, yung pinaka maikli. So, dapat hanapin natin yung pinakamaliit na angle. So, saan ba yung pinakamaliit dito sa tatlo? So, we have 50. Yung katapat ng 50 is line segment AB. So, ibig sabihin, the shortest side would be line segment AB. Then, for the longest side, hanapin ninyo yung pinaka-malaking angle. So, we have 74. Yung katapat niya na side is line segment BC. So, line segment BC ang sagot. Let's have another example. So, given triangle FED, what is the shortest side? O, ito, magkakalapit lang yung measurements nito. Saan kayo dito yung shortest side? Shortest side would be line segment DE. So, ito, the reason, yung katapat niya na angle, yun yung pinakamaliit. No? Then, the longest side, hanapin niyo yung pinakamalaking angle, 62. Then, the opposite is line segment FE or EF. Then, there you have it. Thank you so much.